Hi there, I'd like to show you quickly how to assign a Google Doc in Canvas in a way that streamlines it and makes it much simpler for the students to access and submit. So I'm looking at a Google document right now that I've created. If I want the students to complete this assignment, traditionally what I would have done, and what many of you are doing, is going up here to the Share button and getting a shareable link, copying and pasting that into your Canvas site, and then the students would access it that way. There is an easier way to streamline it from the student's perspective. So once I've created this document in Google Docs, if I go over to Canvas, then I can create a new assignment. And I'm going to call this a sample assignment. In this box where you would usually paste the link to that document that we were just looking at, you don't have to put anything. You can type some additional instructions in here if you needed to, but if the worksheet that you created in Google Docs has all of the instructions that you needed, you don't have to put anything in this box. What you would do is scroll down here, assign it a point value, give it a category just like you normally would, and then for submission type, you would select an external tool. Go down here to the Find button, where you will then select Google Drive Cloud Assignment. That's what you'll select. Once you click on that, it will ask you to authorize the link between Canvas and your Google Drive. Once you've done that the first time, you won't have to do it again. But it takes you right to your Google Drive, where you will scroll through and find the assignment that you wanted to assign. So there's the assignment that I just created in Google Drive, in my Google Docs. So I'm going to select that and then click on Submit and click on Select. Go down to the bottom, just like always, assign it a due date. And when I click Save, the Google document shows up right within my Canvas assignment. So there's the document that I created. The nice thing about this, and why it's easier for the students to access, is this, when the student accesses it, it's automatically a copy of your assignment that the student can go and type their answers right here. So it's a living document. The students don't have to go anywhere else. They don't have to leave your Canvas site. They don't have to go to File, make a copy anymore. This automatically is a copy of your assignment that they can type on right inside your Canvas page. To submit this document then, right up here in the student view, there will be a little blue button that says Submit. So they go down here, they type their answers right on the document, and then they click this little blue Submit button that is missing on my view but will be present on the student view. It'll be right up here in the top right corner. If the student wants to see this in a full window like they normally would, they can click on this blue link up here. It will open up a second window with this document, but it still is automatically a copy. It's automatically saved in their drive as a copy of my assignment that they can then start writing on immediately. And then when they come back to this screen, they would just click this little blue Submit button and it automatically submits. So that's how students can more easily complete and submit Google documents without having to make copies. It streamlines it from their point of view. If you have any questions, let me know.